Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Conversica AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in conversica.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Conversica website. Now from the homepage, in order to sign up and create a new account, click on request a demo. Then you can simply fill up your personal information including your email address, your first and your last name, followed by your company name and your phone number. Then select your country and choose your job function. You may also be asked to choose your business goal and other options, including your inbound leads. Finally, click on the submit button and you will receive a confirmation email which will tell you that you have been added to the waitlist. Once your turn has arrived to try the platform and see the demo, you will be notified once again on your email, and you can simply follow the instructions that you receive within the email to set up your password for your account. And now, after you set up a password and request your demo, you can use your newly set credentials for your account to sign in to your newly created account on Conversica. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Conversica. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.